Good morning, everybody. I am going to talk to you about a very peculiar situation that is prevalent now, which is the COVID crisis. And the lots of patients are having this fear about whether surgeries can be done during this period, and if so, what precautions are to be taken, both by them as well as by the concerned surgeons or the hospitals. So, I'm a consultant cosmetic surgeon at Apollo Spectra in MRC Nagar. And the first thing that I would like to reassure here is that Apollo Spectra in MRC does not handle COVID patients. So we do elective surgeries and emergencies, but we do not do or admit any patients who are COVID positive or with symptoms of COVID. So there is no intermingling of these type of patients with the other patients. The second thing that we do is any patient who is coming in for a consultation or an OP review is screened initially at the entrance of the hospital, and if there is any suggestion of any fever or any such symptoms, they are not entertained and they are not treated over here, and they are asked to take treatment elsewhere. So the preliminary screening is extremely important to make sure that none of the patients who are coming into the hospital are having any symptoms which could be mimicking a COVID. The third thing that we do is we do encourage teleconsultation. So any of the patients who can be handled by virtue of telemedicine are asked to do so that we reduce the physical contact. In such situations where an actual consultation is necessary or patient has to be examined clinically, then these patients who have been screened are asked to come for consultation, and the timing is such that at least 45 minutes interval is given between two consultations so that there is no crowding in the OP area at any time. So social distancing is always maintained, and all these patients who are coming for consultation, we ensure that they are wearing the requisite mask, and gloves are also given, and they are maintaining a reasonable distance. Now, with regard to the surgeries, any of these patients who is subsequently going to get a surgery done has to have a COVID test to make sure that they are negative, and these are done along with other tests. The COVID test is usually done 2 days before the surgery, and after the test has been given, we tell the patients not to go outside and try to maintain social distancing even at home, so that they do not catch any infection during this period. And once these patients with the reports have come as negative, then only we proceed with the surgery. With regard to the protocol in the theatre, all precautions that are necessary with regard to the personnel as well as the patient is done. Wherever the patient can use a mask, if it's under local, we make sure that the patient is wearing a COVID type of mask even during the surgery. As far as the personnel operating in the theatres are concerned, all of them wear double mask. There is a COVID mask and a regular mask on top of it. They have eye protection gear, they have a complete suit which protects them, and then they have gear for the leggings, and in addition we wear eye shields, or face shields as we call it. So this is to make sure that there is no transfer of any type of aerosol between the two of us. And of course, social distancing amongst the doctors and technicians will be difficult, but all of them are completely protected. And with regard to patients undergoing surgery under general anesthesia, the anesthetist who does the intubation, they usually use what is called a hood. The patient is actually the head of the patient. There is a plastic hood on top, and the entire intubation is done under the hood, so that there is no spray or aerosol during the process of intubation and extubation, which is extremely important. And lastly, but certainly it's not the least, we have a very vital scavenging system in the theatre, which is one of the very few theatres in the city which has this system, where the entire air in the theater is removed with each cycle. That means there is no recycling as is normally done in the theater. Here, as soon as the air conditioning is on, there is also a scavenging system which starts working and takes off all the air that is cooled and immediately removes it also. So there's a continuous flow of air inside the theater instead of the traditional air conditioning where the air is recycled. So none of the aerosol, nothing in the air is remaining inside the theater but is removed by the scavenging system, which in addition to this, we also have the regular viral filters and HEPA filters in all the theaters. So this makes sure that there is no contamination inside the theater, and the surgery, as far as the patient is concerned, as well as the surgical team, are completely safe. I'm sure this will give you an insight into how Apollo Spectra functions, and thank you so much for asking me to enlighten you on this particular condition. Thank you so much.